You don't need to pay for expensive subscriptions or own a high-end GPU to create stunning AI-generated videos. In this video, I will show you how to run the powerful 2.1 motion model, completely in the cloud using RunPod. No advanced setup needed. I will also show you how to connect it with N8N to fully automate the video generation process using my custom N8N workflow I showed in the previous video. Whether you're a content creator, meme maker, or just experimenting with AI, this guide will show you how to run everything on autopilot. So without further ado, let's jump in. WAN 2.1 is a powerful AI model that turns static images into smooth motion clips. It runs inside ComfyUI, a flexible node-based AI pipeline used by creators and developers for generative workflows. As you can see, by inserting an image and describing what the video should look like, we get a nice-looking video. Note that this custom workflow also includes a built-in video upscaler that enhances both the resolution and frame rate of your generated clips. If you prefer faster rendering or want the raw output, you can easily disable it. Normally, running WAN 2.1 locally requires a powerful GPU, but RunPod lets you spin up a cloud machine with GPU power in seconds. And with my custom template, everything is pre-installed and ready to go. In order for you to set this up is quite simple. First, head over to runpod.io and create an account. You'll find my referral link in the description below. By signing up and using my referral link, you will get bonus credits that can start from $5 to even $500. So after signing up and adding some credits to your account, go to the storage section on the left sidebar and click Create New Volume. Choose your preferred data center and make sure to set the volume size to at least 35 gigabytes. This is crucial to ensure your setup persists data properly. Then just click Create and you're ready to move on. Now, we just need to deploy a pod using your network volume and my custom template. First, select your newly created volume and click Deploy Pod with Volume. From the GPU options, choose a 4000 series GPU or older. I highly recommend the RTX 4094, its performance and efficiency. Next, scroll down to the template section and switch to the one I've prepared for you. Link is in the description below. Make sure to select the version that uses CUDA 12.1, as this is essential for compatibility. Then, click the Deploy On Demand button, and that's it. The system will now download and set up all necessary files. This may take a bit longer the first time, but subsequent launches will be much faster. Once the installation is complete, click Connect and choose the ComfyUI option. This will open the ComfyUI interface in a new window. On the left sidebar, click Workflows and select the WAN.json file. That's it! You're now ready to generate videos. Just upload an image, enter a text prompt, and hit the Run button. In order to download the generated video, right-click at it and select Save Preview. If you want to integrate this RunPod setup with N8N to automate video generation, it's very straightforward. Simply copy the main ComfyUI URL, go to your N8N workflow, open the ComfyUI community node, and update the URL field with the one you copied. Make sure to remove the trailing slash from the URL, otherwise the node won't work properly. And that's it! You are now ready to trigger automated video generation directly from your N8N workflow. And that's it! If you found this helpful, drop a like and subscribe, and check the description for my RunPod template, N8N workflow, and the bonus tools I use. This setup is just the beginning. In the next video, I'll show you how to take it even further with N8N Cloud, YouTube automation, and AI voiceovers. Also, WAN 2.2 was recently released. I am already preparing a tutorial on how to use it as well. But keep in mind, it is not yet optimized for cost efficiency like WAN 2.1. So if you're looking for faster and cheaper results, WAN 2.1 is still the better choice for now. Remember, what you've seen here is just one example of what's possible. The only limit is your imagination, and the only thing standing in your way is you. Start building, start creating. Let's make it happen.